Hello guys, thank you for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. Thank you so much. Really appreciate your support. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends. Tell your friends to also subscribe to my channel. You can give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to watch our tutorials too. Please, we are making this fine style wrap crop top, very beautiful one. It's a style that you can wear out on your jean, on your skirt, and you can wear it to any occasion of your choice. Very beautiful style. So we are going to learn how to cut this beautiful style together. Please watch to the end.
So this is our material that we are using to make this our wrap crop top. So we start with our measurement. Starting with my measurement, the vertical line. So the vertical length is 19, adding 1 inch on it, making it 20. So it's 20 that we have there now, so that we'll use it to fold the downside of it. So we'll start with the measurement proper. So what I'm marking there, that is the neckline. The neckline is 3.5 that I'm marking there now. So to the shoulder is 8 that I'm marking at the shoulder. So that is the shoulder side. So you just roll it out so that you get a straight line to the shoulder side. So I'm still marking it so that we'll not get the shoulder side. So that's what I'm marking. It's a crop top and it will have a bob on the sleeve that we use elastic to gather it. It's just a little bob that it will be at the downside of it. So by the time we get to that place, you also see what I'm telling you. So that is the measurement of the bust, adding 1 inch on it so that we'll get it. And the bust measurement is 38. So that is the front side now that we are cutting. That mistakenly is the back side of it now, so that by the time we finish cutting it, we'll use it to cut the front. Place is the back side that I'm cutting first. So that is the waist side. So my waist is 28, adding my 1 inch on it for the sewing allowance. So that is it now. So we'll just connect it. That is what I'm pointing at, and I can see that the chalk is not showing it very well. Please don't be annoyed. So that is what I'm doing there now. So from the bust, we'll connect it to the waist. So we're done with it. You can see that it's not too difficult for us to see. So what I'm doing there now is to mark that neckline so that we'll bring out the downside of either the cleavage. So the cleavage that I bring down is 1.5 that I've done there now. So remember to slant the shoulder, that is the slanting side. The shoulder that I've slanted there is 1/2 inch that I've slanted on it now. So we'll start with the cutting. So that is the cutting side of the down. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my video to the end. Give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends so that they too can also learn from it and watch, please. So that is what I'm doing there now. So that is the armhole side that I'm cutting out now. So can you see what I'm doing now? So that is the back side that I'm cutting. Remember, it's the back side, so that we'll now use it to lay at the front side and cut, so that we'll get our wrap crop top. It's a wrap crop top that we are making. Don't forget that. So can you see what I've done there now? So very easy. So we have done with the back now. So just for us now to lay the front side and use this back side of it to cut it out. So can you see what I'm doing? I'm just opening it for you to see the neck of it. It's a round neck at the back side of this top, crop top that we are making. And don't forget, it will have a bob on my sleeve, the sleeve. So this is the folding side of the front. So what I've done there now, so I will just use the back side to lay it down and to get our wrap. So what I'm putting out there now is 3.5 to make it to wrap. That is the front side now. So that is how you cut your own when making your own. You can also add more than that if you feel like of adding, if it's 4 or 5, but what I'm adding there now is 3.5. So this is the rolling side of it now. So on that rolling side, that is where you now use the back and fold it to get that your wrap. So that is the front now that we are cutting. Remember, we have cut the front of it, the back of it, I mean, please, this is the back of it that we have cut earlier. So this is the cutting and this is the marking side of it now that I'm marking. So what I'm marking there now is for us now to connect from that neck. So can you see what I've done there? The neck is 3.5. Remember what I've done at the back side. So we just mark it and use a ruler to roll it so that we'll get at our V neck, because it will be V and it will be wrapped. So that is what I've done there now. So can you see what I've done there now? And I don't want it to be too exposed at the neck side. So that is what I'm just doing at the front. And I can see it seems it's not showing very well. That is for the chalk. And please, I'm still please. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So what I'm marking there now is from the downside is what I'm marking like 3, so that our belt will start from there. That is where our belt will start. So it's 3 that I mark from the downside to that place that I mark is 3. And what I see pointing down there now is where I will now cut. So I want to cut it out now. So can you see what I've done there now? So just remove from the back side and cut. So what I'm just doing, I don't want it to be exposed, that is the bust side of it now. So I didn't open it much. So I've done that, that is the neck for the front. So coming to the downside now is what I'm cutting now. So I'm cutting it now, and before you know, we'll take to the machine and go and stitch, and our top will be ready. It's a very easy style to go that you can wear it on your jean. So that is the armhole side now that I'm also cutting. So using the back side to cut the front side is what we have done. If you want to cut your wrap in an easy way, this is how you do it. Cut your back first and use the back now to lay at the back front side and cut, and remember to add your inches that you want to use to wrap it. So that's what I've done there now. Remember, it's 3.5 that I use so to get our wrapping front. So I'm just opening it for you now to see how it is. So this is how you go and sew it, and that is to stitch it on your machine and it will be ready. And also if you want to have the sleeve, that is how the sleeve will be. So we added it. So this is the belt that we use now to attach on it, so that we'll now use it to wrap it. I will go and stitch it on the machine now and iron it out and sew it to the body now. So the length that I'm marking there now is 32. It's 32, that is the length that I'm using to get it, and the width of it now is 2.5. So this is the sleeve now that we want to cut out now. That is the front and the back. That is the front and the back side, and it's 2. We are cutting it all together. That is the 2 sleeve. The length there now is 19. So the armhole now is what I'm marking there now, just to give it a curve. Can you see the curving side? And you cut out. So we use elastic to bob it out so that it will puff out. So that is what I'm still marking. That is the round neck, round sleeve. The round sleeve there now is 9. It's 9 that I've give there, so that it will just give a small puff there. So I'm just cutting it out now. So can you see what I've done there now? So I will cut the armhole side to get it and to go and stitch it on the machine and attach it to the body. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Watch my video to the end, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends so that they too can learn for this video and also learn it. So we have different tutorials that we have done, so please watch my tutorials and also give it a thumbs up. So I'm just opening it out. After this now, what I will do now, just for me to go and stitch it on the machine and attach it to the body, and before you know, it will be ready, and also to sew it downside and give our top, and the top will be ready now. So this is it.
Yes, our crop top is ready. Our crop wrap top is ready. You can see how beautiful it is. It has a long puff sleeve, very fine one. So guys, this style is very simple to learn. For you to understand it more, please watch the video again and again. And guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my videos with your friends. Tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. Guys, please watch this video to the end. Thank you so much for watching.